Hello students, we are discussing chapter 10. We have discussed what is energy in our last video. In this video, we will discuss the different forms of energy. So, there are different forms of energy. First is light energy. Light energy is given out by the sun, fire, electric bulbs, tube lights, candles and so on. So, we get light energy by these things. It help you it helps you to see when it is reflected of objects. So when we will see this energy is when these objects reflects the light. Okay, next is heat energy. So what is heat energy? You get heat energy when things are burnt. When things are burnt, we get the energy that is called heat energy. What are the things now? Fuels like petrol, diesel, coal and wood are burned to get heat. So these things when burnt we get heat energy. Next page. Heat energy is used to cook food. Heat energy is also used to cook our food, keep our homes warm, produce electricity and so on. So next is sound energy. You see in this picture. This is an rubber band. When you scratch this rubber band, what happened? It produces a sound. By the vibrations of this rubber band, it produces a sound. Sound is generated when an object vibrates due to a force applied to it. So here we are producing a force. We are giving a force which results in vibration of the rubber band and it produces sound. For example, when a drum is hit, sound is produced. Sound energy can be transferred through a solid, liquid or gas. Next is electrical energy. Electrical energy or electricity is also a kind of energy. We use electricity to run many electrical appliances and machines at home and in factories. So, we use electricity to run many electrical appliances such as machines in homes, and also we use electrical energy in factories. Next is mechanical energy. So, what is mechanical energy? The energy that an object has because of its position or movement. So, the energy that we get from the object when the object is in movement is called an mechanical energy. For example, water that falls from a, you seen this? No, there is no picture given. So, for example, water that falls from a high point has more energy. So when water falls from a high point, it has more energy as compared to the water that is at lower point. So we get energy from many sources. Next is wind energy. So what is wind energy? See the picture, it is a windmill. So have you seen how a strong wind can move things? We can use the force of the wind to do work for us. Wind can move the blades. You see in this picture, these are the blades. It looks like a fan. So when a strong wind happens, all blades, what happens? It rotates, which in turn can be used to generate electricity. From this, we can generate electricity or to grind grain. Producing wind energy does not generate smoke. Wind energy does not produce any smoke. That is why it is environment friendly. It doesn't produce any pollution. Okay. So our next energy is water energy. That is hydropower. Just as wind can move things, flowing water can also move and carry things. You see in this picture, it is a picture of a turbine. Here water is moving and it producing electricity. The energy in flowing water is used to turn turbines and generate electricity. Okay. Turn the next page. Hydropower also is non-polluting since we do not have to burn fuels to generate it. So hydropower means water energy is also a non-polluting substance. Next is solar energy. The energy that we get from sunlight, you underline these lines, is called solar energy. It can be used to carry out many functions on the earth. Solar panels you see in this picture, these are solar panels. Okay. Convert solar energy into electrical energy. What is the function of solar energy? It converts the solar energy into electrical energy, which is used to run machines and which is help to run the machine. Solar cooker use sunlight to cook food. Solar energy is abundant on earth and is also non-polluting. When electricity is obtained from burning fuels, smoke and other polluting gases are formed. But when we use solar energy to get electricity, there is no pollution. So by using solar energy, it will not cause any pollution. It is environment friendly. Last energy is our geothermal energy. Geothermal energy is obtained from the heat inside the earth. So geothermal energy, we get geothermal energy from the heat inside the earth. Hot springs and steam from inside the earth are used to generate electricity. This way of generating electricity also does not produce polluting smoke and gases. So our topic is finished. So in this video we have learned the different types of energy. These are light energy, heat energy, sound energy, electrical energy, mechanical energy, wind energy, water energy, and the last one is second last one is solar energy, and last one is geothermal energy. Okay, so I have given the exercises, question answers and the exercises in the app. You collect it from the app. Thank you.